All right guys, what's up? Nick here with Ranch Armor. We're gonna do a quick install guide, and this is for our interior rifle mount specifically for the Polaris 1500 North Star cab model. There is a difference between the open cab and the closed cab, so today we're doing the closed cab model. First, let's start off with the hardware and the tools needed, okay? Tools not included, hardware is. We've got a 3/8 socket, a T40, a flathead screwdriver, and a rubber mallet. Hardware, you've got your monster heavy duty 3/4 inch bolts that attach your crossbars to your crossbar to the bracket, and you've got 4 plastic push pins. That's all included. You've got your bar with your pad, and again, these are your brackets for driver and passenger side. Let's go ahead and get started. As always guys, we have Coy, our designer and engineer here, helping me with this video. We are gonna start on the driver side, and again, as you can see, this is a 1500 North Star cab model. We're gonna start by taking off the factory T40s. Coy is taking out the factory plastic push pins here on the lower section of the roll bar, and we are gonna replace them with the push pins that we included on the kit. All right guys, this is a very simple install. We're already putting the bracket on. Coy is lining up the bracket with the factory holes, and we're gonna go and put the push pins in and the factory hardware we removed. How tight do you want those, Coy?
You just want them like hand tight and then just give them a little bump.
Perfect. So with this, guys, this is what you want your rubber mallet for. You're just gonna kind of tap them in, put them back in the hole there. You remove the other ones, and you're just gonna kind of tap these in. There we go, pops in. Perfect. Is that installed, Coy? Is that ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna go do the passenger side, guys. I'm not gonna film that because it's the same thing, but we'll come back when we're putting the crossbar on. All right, I said we weren't gonna film the other side, but I just want to again, guys, reiterate, use your T40 to take out the factory T40 screws, and then Coy's gonna take out the factory push pins right there. We're gonna put the bracket up, put the factory screws back in, put the new push pins we provided back in, use your mallet, very simple. Let's get to the crossbar. Hey guys, we got Coy, he's got the crossbar up. You're gonna put your large 3/4 inch bolts through. Now they're a finer thread for such a large bolt, so they may just give you a little bit of kickback. Just have some patience, hand tighten first, and then do your adjustment where you want it. All right guys, we're done with the install. As you can see, we've got it adjusted for me at the highest height. You know, it's gonna be easier for me to shoot a rifle out of this. Window, want to show you guys, window still closes, no problem. And also guys, the door, this does not interfere with the door at all. Closes no problem, doesn't interfere with your seals or your gasket. Everything is just like factory. That's our interior rifle mount for the Polaris 1500. Thanks for watching, guys.